Often we get to hear of the name liquidity in finance. What does it mean? Liquidity refers to the ability of a company to convert its assets into cash quickly. The more liquid an asset is, the easier it will be for a company to turn that asset into cash. For example, if you have $1 in your checking account, that money is liquid because you can withdraw cash from your account at any time without any penalty, as long as you have enough funds. However, if you have $10 in stocks, those shares are less liquid because there's no guarantee that you will be able to get the full value of your investment when you want to sell them. Liquidity has many important aspects for everyday life as well as for business reasons. For example, when you go shopping, you need access to cash rather than waiting until your next paycheck in order to buy something. Cash and stocks are considered very liquid assets because they can be converted into currency easily. In terms of businesses, liquidity can refer to how quickly a company can pay off its debts or how much equity that company has on hand relative to their total liabilities. It's also called the working capital. The greater the liquidity, the better a company would be better placed if faced with financial difficulties such as an emergency expense or economic downturn. Liquidity is beneficial in the following ways: easier access to loans and other sources of credit. As an investor, credit is leverage when you are keen on investing in a particular business. Ability to take advantage of investment opportunities that may arise at any time, including during periods when the interest rates are low. Freedom to meet your obligations in a timely manner. That way it's easy to secure your assets from creditors. Ability to pursue opportunities that are not currently available to you because you have no cash on hand or because an opportunity requires a large amount of cash up front. I hope this video was helpful in explaining what financial liquidity is. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the video reach more people interested in this topic. Remember to subscribe to Investor Web, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get future updates.